climbing a mountain. It's high, it's not easy for this engine, but we are going good. The temperature is low, and now we are inside. After 10 minutes it will go down. Dear friends, I am going to see a bus. Somebody sent me the location. There was a bus across the street, abandoned one. So I'm gonna go now to check the bus. I hope it's not a fake picture. It's been quite a while I didn't use the bus anymore. Oh, finally I come in the place where this bus was located. See the bus. I think it's beyond repair. I think it's way too beyond repair. It's already back to its origin, which is mineral, steel, and whatever it's made of. It's 77 or 76. It's a model I never thought I could see in here. So sad. I feel bad for this, really bad. I'm gonna talk to the owner. I'm gonna ask how much he's gonna sell me. There are the bridges. There's a bridge, and in the backside, I hope he can give me a good price.